Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing okay. This is a Fingal Libraries tutorial about coding. The coding facility allows children and adults to learn coding computer languages, help students to be fluent in technology and to express in a new way. This service uses Scratch, which is a visual programming language. There are thousands of coding languages. Visual languages are easier and more fun for beginners and children as it uses color-coded blocks. At the moment, we have used more than 400 student licenses. We have had recently 250 more, 30 teacher licenses, which can also be used for parents, and the site provides coding lessons for 4 age groups, 6 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, and 14 plus. To start coding, you need a valid library membership. Those without one can sign up through our website and use a temporary card number, a computer or laptop, preferably with sound enabled, an internet connection. You can access Scratch without internet using the app, but the internet is needed for the lessons, an email address, which will be used to alert parents, coders of new packs available. A supervising adult is recommended for the younger age groups. There are two ways for the students to access the coding lessons. One, joining a coding club in their branch, which is the preferred option, or two, joining a coding club through our eServices website. To open a teacher account and a coding club, go to the tutorial Opening a Coding Club. Once you open a coding club in your branch, you are a coding champion, which means that you can promote your clubs and take care of your students. As coding champion, you will deal with their queries, but we are always available to help you at library.eservices@fingal.ie. You can also join our coding Padlet community. Once you are a coding champion, we will send you the instructions to join. Here is a space to share information and ideas to help us create the best coding clubs. To invite people to your branch coding clubs, you need to send them the club code and the link. For people joining without a branch club, there is an option through our website. We search for our Fingal Libraries eServices, scroll down until we find Coding Ireland, here, Coding Clubs Online Learning, and click on the correct age group. I am going to click to access the lessons. The coding club code is already selected. I just need to fill in my details. If I have signed up through the website, my queries will be directed to library.eservices@fingal.ie. I am going to show you the second lesson for a 6 to 7 years old student. As you can see, it is very easy to follow the steps. There are videos to show me what to do, and I can read all the instructions here. It is asking me to open the Scratch website. I'm in Scratch now. I will need to log in. I have already done it, so I can click on Create. I can work in my project here. I have to create an account on Scratch because from now on I will do my homework on it. I'll go back to my lesson on coding to review the steps. Here are the steps. And I'm going to read everything and watch the video. It is asking me to create a sprite, and now that I know what to do, I go back to Scratch and apply what I have learned. I'm going to look for the bad sprite here, click on it and select it. Here it is. I've done it. Now I'm going to keep going with the next step. It is asking me now to make the sprite move using coding blocks. Now that I know the blocks, I select them. Yeah, this one, and then that one, everything is explained. I can always go back to the instructions. Now, yeah, everything is fine. I go back to the lesson to make sure I'm doing okay. Go back to Scratch and click on the green flag here. And yeah, I can see it is moving. I'm doing very well here. Things will get more complicated and I will get better coding. Coding Ireland will send the packs and other information to the student's email address from info@codingireland.ie. As Coding Champions, we do not have to release any lessons. Coding Ireland will take care of everything. For any questions, email us at library.eservices@fingal.ie.